Cheats Before the Babies. This is their second album released in year 2017. Well, let's start. Front cover. I want that pizza. Please. Can I have it? Just look at the cover. Yeah. Yup. No catalog number. Yes. Let's check the inlay. Oh yeah, track list, no record label, and double middle finger. Great. I love it. Okay, let's check what's inside. Oh, there you go. And this one. Yeah. Let's check. For the twins. Okay. Alright. This is a factory press CD. Yup. Just look at it. Not a CDR. Ayun. Yup. Yeah. Alright. Let's check the booklet. Oh. Oh no. Oh wait. Okay. There you go. Right. Sit before the babies. Right. At the back. Yep. Alright, lyrics. Okay. Make it clear. Yeah. That's good. Yep. Okay, nice. Okay, credits and special thanks. Oh. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's check the social media. Alright, their Facebook page, just click like and follow, okay? And subscribe to this YouTube channel. And follow them on Twitter. Follow them on Instagram. And listen to Spotify. Yup. Alright, that's it for tonight. Support the band by buying their merchandise and going to their gigs. Subscribe for more content. I'll see you at the next video. Goodbye and happy hunting. And as always, stay safe everyone.